Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows 11, 10 laptop have only C drive how to create ENF. Open File Explorer, only show C drive. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Disk 0 have System Partition, C drive, and Recovery Partition. Right-click C drive, click Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space to shrink, click Shrink. Right-click Unallocated Space, click New Simple Volume. Type half of unallocated space. Right-click Free Space, click New Simple Volume. Click Next to allocate full remaining space. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.